October 22nd, card opening. Before we get started, Salvador Perez. I know I pulled that card before. Naylor. Thomas. Ferris Smith. Ryan Mountcastle. Tommy Lasorda. And World's Largest. It's the first time with the insert of this I got. Salvi Perez. He had a really good year. Top fire. Tim Boy at the back. Yoan Moncada. Trey Turner, who's out for the year from right here. William Contreras. Bichette. It's a nice looking card there. What do you think of his value? Is his value going up? You like Vladdy, but what about Bichette? Tony Gwynn, Tim Anderson. Wondering eyes want to know. Put in Chrome Fat Pack. We've only pulled, maybe we got 2 autos out of it. Maybe we have. Lots of variations though. This is kind of nice. Zito, Cole Hamels hitting. Burnett, Sherrill, Lind, Venable, Carl Crawford, Contera, Chris Iannetta, Jake Peavy Blue. This is numbered out of 500. BJ Upton, Gold, Johnny Damon. On the back we have Sharon Marcus. We have another one here. I'll have to organize these and go through them. Work on some notes. This is fun afterwards. I do get a 90-minute lunch period. By listening, you think that sounds like a lot. It's not. I'm usually busy running from A to B or doing notes that I weren't able to do during the day. Out of 500. Esmail Rogers, like that. Derek Lowe Gold, David Freese, Keeler, Tejada, McCurran, right there. Michael Alamazar at $2.99. I'm not familiar with him. Victor Martinez. Gaysbury, Juan Miranda, Matt Garza, Clayton Kershaw, Eric Lee, Big Tim, and Ken Griffey Jr. That's he did play in 2008. Reds and White Sox. Maybe one of his last cards. Got a little dent on the top. As you can see right there. Well, we'll look through these. See what I could see. Mine's Optic. Jim Anderson, Jake Cronenworth, Cody Bellinger Prism, and Bryce Harper Unleashed. old Bella Buttons, and Top Crow. Final pack. We will be here over the weekend, so we'll have some blaster fun, and we'll go from there. Chris Archer, Willie Castro, Gleyber Torres, Beelzebub, Kyle Schwarber, who is doing quite well for the Red Sox right now. Best favorite card pulled. I'm not too sure about those things. I'm probably gonna go with the Bichette. Good looking card. Anyway, y'all take care.